Hi friends! Welcome! I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're roasting cauliflower in a colorful veggie batter, right in the air fryer. This one's going to be a healthy masterpiece. Let's start by taking a head of cauliflower and peeling off those extra leaves. Don't forget to trim the tough stem at the base. It makes cutting florets easier. Now cut your cleaned cauliflower into nice, even florets. For extra tenderness, slice each floret in half. That way, they'll turn out soft and perfectly roasted all around. Transfer your chopped cauliflower to a large bowl. Season with salt to taste. Sprinkle on a touch of smoked paprika. Now slice a lemon in half. Squeeze the juice from both halves right over the cauliflower. Don't you just love that bright citrus aroma? Drizzle with olive oil. Toss it all together, making sure every floret gets a little marinade. Share your favorite cauliflower ideas in the comments. I love trying your suggestions. And if you enjoy these recipes, I'd be so grateful if you subscribe. Arrange each piece of cauliflower neatly on parchment paper. Spread them out for even roasting. Perfect. Let's get roasting in the air fryer. Set it to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and cook for 10 minutes. While that's baking, let's prep our veggies. First, chop 150 grams of tomatoes. I love using cherry tomatoes, but pick whichever kind you like best. Add the chopped tomatoes to a large mixing bowl. Next, grab your sweet pepper. We'll need about 50 grams, so I use 2 small peppers. Slice it into thin strips. I just adore sweet pepper in every form. It goes in so many of my dishes. Tell me in the comments, what veggies do you love to cook most? Toss the sweet pepper in with the tomatoes. Now slice up your green onion. And if you've got some parsley or cilantro in the fridge, toss that in too. This is such a relaxing, meditative process, isn't it? Add the green onion to the bowl. Chop up a little fresh basil too. I like to give it a quick extra chop with a knife. Add the basil to the veggies. Now for the garlic. You'll need 4 cloves. Slice them thin. Toss the garlic into the mix. Crack 4 large eggs into a bowl. Give them a good whisk, blending yolks and whites. Add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. Season with salt to taste. Sprinkle in a little cumin. Mix until it's nice and smooth, no lumps. You want a soft, even batter. Fold the chopped veggies right into your batter. Hope you're enjoying this recipe so far. Your support really means so much. Please hit like and subscribe if you're having fun. Now just add 100 grams of hard cheese to the batter. You can use any kind you like, Parmesan or even a soft cheese like mozzarella. Mix it all together until it's well combined. That's exactly the texture we want, and the smell is amazing. Now your cauliflower is ready. Take it out of the air fryer. Pour the veggie batter evenly over the cauliflower. Make sure every piece gets coated. Smooth it all out and get ready to bake again. Set to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for another 15 minutes. And you're done. Just look how beautiful it is. Slice it up into servings. Those crispy edges and tender veggies look so inviting. Plate it up. Garnish with a little fresh basil or your favorite herbs for a lovely touch. You can dig in while it's still warm. It looks so tempting. I can't wait for you to try it. This recipe is perfect for family dinners or a cozy weekend lunch. I hope it brings some joy and color to your table. Share this recipe with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Take care and wishing you all the best.